today, once again coming in from the state of Bihar. This is a bizarre birthday celebration, many would say, and a political storm that is erupting over it. RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad Yadav turned 78. But instead of candles and confetti, it was a glistening sword that stole the spotlight. Viewers, again, take a look at these pictures. In this video that has now gone viral, Lalu was seen cutting the cake made up of 78 laddus, while his supporters cheered him on. So far, this might sound like any other birthday bash, but at the heart of the row, if you're looking at these pictures carefully, look at how he chose to cut the cake using this long sword. Let's play out that footage full frame. Just let's look at, describe those pictures again. So this is Lalu Prasad Yadav celebrating his birthday with, and when he chooses to cut the cake, which is made up of 78 laddus that was brought by his supporters. Just take a look at what he uses to cut the cake. And now it is the sword that has, in fact, become the talking point in political circles, because the optics of Lalu brandishing a sword, which for the purpose, was to cut the cake, has triggered very sharp reactions from his critics. The JDU now has taken a sharp jab. Let's move on to the reactions that are coming in. The JDU has taken a sharp jab while saying that the world picks up pens, but Lalu still prefers swords. The BJP too is echoing a warning, calling this nothing but politics of intimidation.
माननीय लालू प्रसाद जी किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट करवाए हैं, वो सैनिटाइज था कि नहीं? आज के दौर में जब कलम की जरूरत है तो लालू जी लाठी पिलावन के लिए जाने जाते थे, अब तलवार के लिए जाने जाएंगे। राजनीतिक खौफ से काम नहीं चला तो तलवार के बदौलत खौफ कायम करना चाहते हैं।
एक समय था जब लालू जी रैली निकालते थे लाठी में तेल पिलावन। लाठी में तेल पिलाने वाले आज केक तलवार से काट रहे हैं। जिनकी संस्कार और संस्कृति में लाठी और तलवार हो, हम समझ सकते हैं कि वो शासन में आकर के किस प्रकार से दुर्व्यवहार, हिंसा और एक स्टेट स्पॉन्सर्ड वायलेंस का परिचय देंगे।
Now, Union Minister Jitan Ram Manjhi has also reacted to the video in what can be interpreted as a warning to voters of Bihar. Manjhi has said that this sword is something to symbolize a regime of terror. In a no-holds-barred attack, he asks if cakes will be blown up with AK-47s. In fact, he also goes on to ask, should Lalu's son Tejasvi ever ascend to power? Can this happen? In all, as Bihar heads to elections, RJD's critics say that this isn't just optics, but an expression of a divisive DNA. We'll be tracking that story, but time now for us to take a short break.